picked this truck up for a smoking deal after it had been sitting for about 7 years with a bad transmission. The interior was absolutely disgusting. I mean, disgusting. Just take this in. I ripped it all out. I took absolutely everything out of the interior of this truck because it all needed to be cleaned, and cleaned very well. So the interior did clean up pretty well. At least it cleaned up well enough that I don't feel like I have to wear a hazmat suit to sit inside of the truck. But we still have a problem. Boring. Boring! Not to mention, there's some things you can't just clean off, you know, like cigarette burn. Hey, you know what? I guess I could try.
No! God, please, no!
Or I could just leave it to the professionals over at Katzkin Leather. You go to their website, they have a super easy start here button that takes you through step by step how you can create your very own custom interior for your vehicle. Everything is customizable. You can choose 1 color, 2, 3 colors. You get to choose what color stitching, how it's laid out, the materials even. 100% DIY. You get to build your own interior and let the professionals put it together. So my interior has came in. The entire interior for my truck fits into this box right here. And I ended up going with a walnut leather. So it's like a brown leather, a little bit darker than what my interior is now. Check this out, dude. Look at that. Look at the diamond stitching. Baby, dude, this is gonna be so cool. And then I did a different color in the stitching so that the stitching will actually pop and stand out. The stitching is actually a match to the rest of the interior that's inside of the truck. Anyhow, my appointment to have all of this professionally installed is today. It's actually right now, man. I got to get this all loaded up, and we are gonna head down there right now, drop the truck off. They said that they should be able to get it all done in one day, so looking forward to that. And I have a special surprise, man. Inside of these 2 boxes, this is gonna be huge. This right here is the Degreez kit from Katzkin. So also, I'm not going to have to do any of this. The interior shop is going to install all this for us, but these kits right here is going to give us heated and air conditioned seats for both of my front seats. So have a good look, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be the last time that you see all this cloth. We're on our way to go and get cat skinned. All right, we are back on the road. Say bye to the old cat eye and say bye to the old cloth interior. When we come and pick it up, it's going to have leather interior. Here comes the moment, man. Just getting the keys back.
OMG. OMG. Oh, smell that. Oh, smell that leather.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, look at the back seat, babe.
Whoa, look at.
Dude, that is crazy.
Look at, they even did this right here. Whoa.
This is a completely different freaking truck, man.
Feel the seat. Like push on it.
I know, dude. Like, holy crap.
Wait.
And it's got air conditioning. So it has now been about a month since I've had my interior installed, and I have to tell you, man, this has been an absolute marvelous upgrade. This truck is completely different now. Everybody that I show my interior to gives me compliments on it, and it has been a night and day difference. It makes the truck so much more enjoyable to drive, so much more enjoyable to go on trips in. It's just night and day difference. I most certainly highly recommend a Katzkin Leather if you guys are interested in getting your interior updated. It made a huge difference to my truck, as you can see, and a game changer having air conditioning and heated seats. Most of the time I have my air conditioning on whenever my girlfriend has her heater on. You know what I mean? And you can do that. So this has taken my boring Silverado and just made it feel like something more personal, something more custom, and I am absolutely in love with it even more. Thank you, Katzkin.